What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're in the Sala park in Ho Chi Minh City, aka Saigon, to try the BetaFPV Pavo 20 Pro. Let's go. This flight takes place in a modern urban park designed to slow the city down. Clean lines, open walkways, water, trees and carefully planned green spaces create a surprisingly calm atmosphere, especially during the middle of the day. While mornings and evenings are usually busy, midday tells a different story. During this flight, the park was almost empty. Very few people, no crowds, and no visible security staff, which made it an ideal environment for a smooth and uninterrupted FPV session. Flying in urban parks like this is all about balance, respecting the space and staying aware of your surroundings and choosing the right moment makes all the difference. Midday turned out to be the perfect window. The BetaFPV Pavo 20 Pro performed extremely well throughout the entire session. The quad felt stable, predictable and very confident in the air. The video transmission was solid from start to finish. Even when flying behind trees and dense bushes, the signal remained clean and usable. No sudden drops, no surprises. I had zero issue with the RC link running ELRS at 250 milliwatts, maybe a little bit too much, but I wanted to be safe over water and behind trees and bushes. I flew more than 220 meters away with vegetation and obstacles in between and still had full control. I climbed over 400 meters in altitude and both the RC link and the video feed stayed stable and responsive. That kind of performance builds trust. When you don't have to worry about your link, you can focus on smooth lines, clean movement and enjoying the flight. This setup feels especially well suited for cinematic urban flying, controlled, efficient and reliable without being overpowered. In an environment like this park, small movements matters more than speed. Gentle altitude changes, slow yaw movements, smooth forward motion, they really bring the space to life. This flight was less about pushing limits and more about experiencing the environment from above, letting the drone flow through the space rather than forcing aggressive maneuvers. That said, the range and link quality clearly show what this quad is capable of, and this is just the beginning. I'll be releasing a dedicated range test video very soon where I'll take this quad even further and break down the results in detail. For now, sit back, relax and enjoy the rest of the flight.